Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, and it is 6:22 a.m. here Central Time. Back home on the East Coast, it is 7:22 a.m. again, and it's Tuesday, October 8th. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started. There are three currency pairs I would like to bring up to you. But first, I want to admit that I'm not in these pairs. Reason is because I am currently in the cable, which is the British pound US dollar currency pair, also known as the cable. And I am short the pound, long the dollar, and I am heavily invested in that trade right now because the dollar is on a strengthening trend. Now, these three pairs that I'm bringing up to you, these are really pairs you would like to consider because these are showing strong signs of continuing and you can make a nice profit off of these trades. All right, first is the Aussie dollar US dollar pair. As you can see, for the last 1, 2, 3, 4 days, it's been continuously going down, which is the dollar getting stronger against the Aussie dollar. When you see a pair like this, the dominant pair is on the left. So you'll see whichever pair is on the right. If you see the red bars going downward, that means that currency is getting stronger against the base pair, which is on the left. So as you can see, it is taking fewer dollars to buy Aussie dollars. It is taking fewer US dollars to buy Aussie dollars. So it is on a very strong trend here, the dollar, US dollar, and it will continue. Reason I believe it's going to continue, and the reason I'm telling you it's going to continue is because, as you can see here, this conversion line, this blue conversion line is pointing downward, okay? And normally what happens, this is Ichimoku, and normally what happens with the Ichimoku when it's in this sort of stance, for lack of a better word right now, is it's going to continue downward. The price action, this is called the price action. This is the actual price. And when it's going to continue downward until it meets this baseline here. Once it meets the baseline, it might put up a little fight. But what I mean by fight is you won't have any movement. It's going to go on the price. It's going to continue the tight range, and then it's going to continue to drop at least until this the bottom of this cloud here. So you got a lot of room to run with this trade. Very strong. You can see the 26-week lagging span here is within the price action. So that means more than likely the direction has changed and it will continue downward. The direction changed from being going in an upward direction where the dollar was weakening, and now it's continued. Now it's changed direction and it's going to go downward where the dollar is getting stronger. All right, so next is the Great British Pound Kiwi pair. This has just broken the cloud a couple of days ago, yesterday actually. On Monday, it broke the cloud here. So now we are in the strengthening trend for the British pound against the Kiwi. The Kiwi is getting weaker here. This is a twist. This is known as a Ichimoku twist here. And what's happening is the conversion line and the baseline are together. They're kind of twisting, undecided, but according to the price action here, it's broken the cloud. So now the Kiwi is going to get weaker. So this is definitely a trade you want to consider because it does not take much for you to make a hefty profit when you're trading the Kiwi. It takes patience, but it's well worth it if you have the patience. Now, on the opposite side, it is easy to lose a lot with the Kiwi as well. So especially the Kiwi pound, these are very strong pairs. So make sure you always use proper risk management. Risk management, risk management, risk management. I can't iterate that enough. But this is definitely a good currency pair you want to consider. The lagging span is within the cloud, but it is above the price action. So as you can see, the price action has broken out. So what will more than likely occur here is the price will continue to go up. The lagging span is going to break. It's right below this baseline here in the cloud, so more than likely it's going to break it and go up. So this is definitely a nice trade you want to consider as well. Lastly, we have the South African rand with the Japanese yen. The yen is getting weaker right now. Today, the yen is a touch stronger. But as you can see here, according to Ichimoku, the yen will continue to get weaker against the South African rand. In my previous video, I was iterating how the rand is getting stronger against the currencies, which it is. Don't know why. Only thing I know is it is getting stronger. Everything about trading is about the now. It's not about fundamentals, news, or whatever. It's about what you see in the chart. And the chart right now, the charts are telling me that the South African rand is on a strengthening trend. And right now, against the yen, it looks like it's going to continue. So, you look at the price action here, it's way above the conversion line here. Baseline is within the cloud. Now, this looks like a downward trend. Now, that's why this is a little tricky here. But because the lagging span is still beneath the cloud. But you have your price action above the cloud, conversion line above the cloud, baseline is within the cloud, but this price action dictates as well. So you might not want to get in this trade right now, maybe in a few hours, maybe in a couple of days, but you definitely want to keep an eye on this pair here because as you can see, it's going up. It can be a little tricky. So you want to use good risk management. You want to use risk management with any trade you consider or get into. But this is going to be a nice trade because from the looks of it, it is going to continue to go up. You got your future cloud, which is up an upward cloud as well. So you might want to consider this trade. And the beauty of the South African rand pairs, it doesn't take a lot of money to get into them. So you can use very little money and the risk management is a little bit easier. So those are the three currency pairs you want to consider right now. Good luck with your trading. Again, always use proper risk management, psychology management. Psychology management is one of the most important things as well. So that's number one, as a matter of fact. So good luck with your trading, and I will see you next time. Take care.